Hi Pam, I'm going to answer some of your questions that you sent this weekend. As far as the quizzes go, if you click on this quiz, one of your questions was the differences in points. This shows 10 out of 11, and she manually changed it up here. If you come down to Michelle Kinney, you can see on here that it is 12 out of 12. Now the reason for that is if you come into the quiz 1 and expand this, she has randomized her questions. So if you click expand all, many of these don't have point values for each question. So that's the reason that the differences in point values for each quiz. Depending on what questions the students got randomly, they may have gotten all of these, they may have gotten some with points, some without. So she needs to go in, add all of her points, and scroll down here, update points, and then once she does that, she'll come back into the gradebook, click on Setup Gradebook, and just as an FYI, instructors should never manually insert points. What you always want to do is click on this Insert Points link, and that will bring up, see where it says there's actually 0 points here right now. So they never manually put points into the gradebook for exam items. The other, I'm going to put this back for a second. So that will take care of that. She needs to go in and manually update her points and then come in and click the Insert Points link, and then she'll have to go back and change her grades again, but they should be correct. She can pull them right from the information that was given from the system. As far as her discussion comments not showing up in the gradebook, that is because over here the actual discussion item is called discussion, and she somehow made a different discussion item in her gradebook which doesn't match, so that's why they're not showing up. If you'll come in here, you'll see that she also does not see the discussion responses. So if we came into Setup Gradebook and added the actual discussion item, which the students are participating in, and save changes, and come over here to, oh, better check it first. We'll just do the first one and I'll put it back. And then assign their points, which it looks like 15. What she should see then, when she goes in to grade that item, she will actually see the student responses, which she was not seeing before. So that's why her comments were not showing up, because she's not using the same content item as the students are actually participating in. So that's all that needs to be done for that. Sorry, I'm getting a cold. The other thing is on her My Family Lab. My guess, whoops, she doesn't have her instructor information showing either. So this needs to be yes. And she needs to add a telephone number also. That's a requirement. Let's see what books she's using. Required textbooks. Doesn't look like the My Family Lab is being used, so no, that's not a requirement. Let's go check the textbooks here real quick. No, they're not using the My Family Lab. So students do not need to purchase that code. There is no code for them. She should put an announcement in her class and email her students that that's not going to be used. And that should take care of everything.